please don't turn it off.
I can't believe you just said that, Keri. You know we gonna get you back, right? Cause you turned us off, 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 bitch, you turned us off. Now how the fuck you gonna try to say the beat star is fading, fading, when your shit was never shining, shining? You got one #1 song and now you tryna get cocky, cocky.
Wait a minute, ho.
If it wasn't for Weezy, we never would've heard your shit playing on the radio, radio. Because we wasn't feeling your energy. That's why your album got pushed back to 2000 and infinity. Now Keri, is you kidding me? Tryna deny that Beyonce is the queen.
Beyonce is the queen.
Well, she got 12 Grammys, and her voice is the only voice that you hear playing on the radio. She sold 100 million records worldwide. Keri, please don't try to fuck with the queen just to get yourself a little bit of publicity. Yeah, publicity.
Wait a minute.
Don't ever try to come for the queen, ho. Beyonce fans will ride you home.
Somebody should've warned you.
You need to get your own swagger, ho, and stop trying to co-star Ariana's show.
Somebody should've warned you.
Don't ever try to get that cocky, ho. You only got a deal cause you fuck Polo.
Somebody should've warned you. I'm a Beyonce fan, baby. I'm a Beyonce fan, baby, baby. Beyonce don't need Lil Wayne to make a hit, bitch.